If you watch my Trader Joe hauls, you know I love the sweetened dried lemon slices and the orange slices. And I started thinking I'm going to slice them up and I'm going to make a simple syrup with just white sugar and water. And I'm going to put all of these in there once they're sliced. I'm also going to my lemons that I got from the grocery store, and I'm going to slice these up and also put them in that simple sugar and dehydrate them, and we'll see how they turn out. Okay guys, what I've done is I've put 3 cups of water into the saucepan. Now I'm going to put 2 cups of sugar. So there's 1 and there's 2. Then I'll squeeze just a little bit of the orange juice from the ends of the orange and a cinnamon stick in there and boil it until it becomes a simple sugar. So once I get started with that, I'll come back. Okay, now I've got my water and sugar and cinnamon boiling. You want to wash these really, really good because you're not going to peel this. This is all going to be sliced about a 1/4 inch thick. Real good. So after I'm done washing them, we'll start slicing. Just going to dry them off just a little bit. They're going to get wet anyway, but just okay. So now I have my bowl, so it can take the so I think about that thick, 1/4 inch. These are going to be so good, you guys. And I've got the simple syrup simmering on the stove. Take these 2 and squeeze the juice into the simple syrup once it's done. Homegrown oranges are so good, and orange trees. You want to keep that rind on because that is really good. Dried. How pretty is that? The dried apples. You can also do dried oranges for crafts. Okay, when I'm done with this and they get into the simple syrup, I'll be back. Okay guys, here are my orange and lemon. Where are you? Here are my orange and lemon slices. The simple syrup is boiling. I'm going to turn it down a little bit and now we're going to start adding. Once I get all these in and they've been simmering, I'll come back and show you, and then we'll put them into the dehydrator. And I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes and then I'm going to come back and turn it down to a simmer after the 20 minutes on medium high and let them simmer for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put them on my dehydrator racks. And then don't throw the syrup away when you're done. Put it in the refrigerator and then you can use it for different things. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got my dehydrator out. I'll be plugging that in, and then when I get everything where it's supposed to be, I'll come back and show you. Okay, they're almost done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let them simmer another 10 minutes. I'm going to take them off, let them cool, and then I will put them on the racks of the dehydrator and I'll show you. Okay guys, it's ready. And I've washed my hands. I am just going to do this with my hand. On the oven, I believe it was 240 for 7 hours, 6 or 7 hours, if you do it in the oven. I just wanted to show you how I did that, and then I'll put them on the rest of my racks and then I'll show you. Okay everyone, the orange slices are done. And they are beautiful. Well, I can tell what I'm going to be doing from now on. Guys, this is what sometimes at night when I'm watching TV, this is what I'll eat for desserts. Well, I used to always eat the Trader Joe's. Now I can make my own. Oh my gosh. Let me get the package. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, there's the package. And here's mine. Oh my gosh. These are so good, you guys. You need to try this. If you like dried fruit, you need to try it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to put these on a plate and then I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. I put them on a plate so you can see. And here are the oranges. Here are the Myers lemons. And here are the tangerines. Is that beautiful or what? And let me tell you, they are delicious. And I added, like I said, I added a little bit of cinnamon. This is the way to go if you like dried fruit. And I'm going to show you also how I use these in my tea. And like I say, I would buy them from Trader Joe's. Now I can make my own. Okay, I just wanted to let you see this. And I will be back to show you what I do with my tea. Okay, remember I told you I was going to show you how I drink my tea? Well, this is what I do. Right now I'm hooked on this one, and I drink a lot of the Celestial teas because they're caffeine free. And I love the flavors. This cinnamon apple spice already has a sweetness to it. Not real sweet, but a little bit. Anyway, what I add to this is I take 2 of the tea bags, and then I buy the cinnamon, the little cinnamon candies, like this. Put it in to the cup, and this was boiling water. And then I used to take the Trader Joe's dried oranges, and now I have my own that I made. I let this steep for about 10 minutes. Take the tea bag out, well, the cinnamon candy is dissolved. And since this is cinnamon, it just enhances the cinnamon flavor. And the orange, I don't know what it does, but it's really good. So that is the way I am drinking my tea these days, people. So I told you I would show you, and I did, and I hope you'll try it. Okay? I'm just going to stop about 10 minutes, and that is one good cup of tea, people.